What is going on, guys? Justin or OV update back again with another video, and today another Yorkdale vlog, back-to-back weeks. If you guys like this video, let me know. I'm gonna keep doing these back-to-back every weekend, every drop for you guys. But without further ado, we're about to head to Yorkdale, pick up that OVO Canada trip, the lanyard, as well as the shorts. Big cop days, so stay tuned and I'm gonna take you guys with me. Alright guys, just got off the highway, Yorkdale Mall, right over there around the corner. It's like 10:30 right now, so 30 minutes till OVO opens, and I'll see you guys inside. So we just walk into Yorkdale right now. I don't think anybody should be there, but I'll show you guys when we get in. Yet again, another day at Yorkdale. You want a large? Alright guys, so we just left Yorkdale Mall, as you guys can see behind me. Quickly, before we get into the in-depth review, I'm gonna show you quickly what we did pick up. So first up, we got the crew neck, the piece everybody wants, fully embroidered. This was $128. We also did get the t-shirt, as you guys can see here. Awesome quality again, 48 bucks. And I also did get a few more things, but you guys are gonna have to wait till I get back home to see the rest.
20 minutes later.
Alright guys, so we just got back from Yorkdale and I got the bag right here full of the goodies. As you guys know now, the full collection did sell out online very fast. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to be online to see it sell out, but what I'm hearing is it did sell out in way under 5 minutes. So crazy drop. Definitely the highlight of the week was those crew necks, which I do have to unbox for you guys today. So without further ado, let's get straight into the unboxing. So I did go to Yorkdale. I got there around 10:30, and there I want to say 5 people in front of me in line. Not too bad at all. Was able to get all the stuff I wanted, starting with this crew neck. So here it is. I did actually take this out of the bag already for a photo, which you guys can see on screen now. Go like that, go comment. But here's the crew neck. Amazing quality, made in Canada. As you guys can see, we got the full embroidery on the front with the OG owl. Tag made in Canada. This is a size large. I'm 5'8", and the size large does fit a little bit oversized. Definitely could pull off a medium as well. But if you want that nice comfortable fit, I would go for a large if you're around the same height as me. Taking a look at the collar, we got that double stitch. Very nice. This crew neck is honestly perfect for those summer nights because it isn't too heavy like those other hoodies like the Canada OG Owl. This is 360 GSM, so it is a lot lighter than most hoodies. So this crew neck did come in white as well. Personally, I did like the black more. The white one definitely would get a lot more stains over time, but let me know what you guys picked up down below in the comments. I'm curious to see what you guys grabbed from this drop. So moving on, reaching out of the bag, we got the gray t-shirt as well. The quality of the screen print on this t-shirt is absolutely insane. It's literally popping out. So if you were to run your fingers over it, you could actually feel the print, which is awesome. Again, this is made in Canada, and I'm pretty sure there are some tees still available on the site. Again, it only did come in gray. I thought it was gonna come in more, but maybe in the future we will see this in black and white and a few other colors. Next up, we did get the shorts. The shorts did sell out as well, and I'm actually gonna unbox these ones and take this one out the bag. The t-shirt, we've seen the t-shirts many times before. I don't need to take that one out, but the shorts, these look to be made in Canada. Let me check. Yes, they are made in Canada. A nice lightweight cotton material. So on the left pant, we do have the glazed logo. That's what OVO is calling it. And on the right, we have the Stack logo. Awesome pair of shorts. They did do the matching hoodies as well. Didn't get those. But if you did get the t-shirt last summer, this is a fire combo to rock. Again, I think the shorts were $88. Not bad at all. And the screen print, again, I'm gonna keep bringing up these screen prints. Super good quality, super thick. Pockets on both sides, none on the back, but nonetheless cannot go wrong with this pair of shorts. Definitely recommend when OVO drops shorts to pick them up as soon as you can because they do sell out. Alright guys, and last but not least, we do have the Familia Lanyard. This is the second variation of lanyards they've done. This is actually pretty unexpected. I didn't think we were gonna get another lanyard, but here it is. taking it on out. Awesome accessory for the collection. I don't know if you guys could see October's very own embossed there with the Familia logo, and instead of the gold they went with the black because I think the gold actually started to change color the more you used it last time, so I guess they figured they'd stick with black. Super happy on this piece as well. Again, whenever OVO drops accessories, you gotta pick them up. So I did get another lanyard, and I did get as well 2 more fragrance papers, because once these are gone, I'm gonna want more. I know I'm gonna want more. These are awesome for the car. I really do love the smell. Anyone who's been in my car has like, yo, I actually really fuck with the scent. So I definitely, if you haven't already, add this to your order and pick some up. So the total damage today was $402.28. Again, we did get a lot of stuff. We got 2 papers, 2 keychains, the crew neck, the t-shirt, and the shorts. Total of $402. A lot of damage done today, but definitely well worth it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Thank you all for the support. Again, guys, follow all the links down in the description below. Check out Update Gear. I'm telling you, we got some crazy stuff on the way. And without further ado, guys, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.